What's up, you guys? It's your girl Leah Janae, and if you want to see how I created this affordable DIY flower wall, keep on watching. Alright, you guys, to complete this project you'll need a foam board, mounting tape, a pair of scissors, a hot glue gun, glue sticks, coffee filters, and of course you're gonna need flowers. I got the flowers, the board, the mounting tape from Dollar Tree, and everything else I got from my local 99-cent store. So here I'm taking off the flowers from the stem, and this is very easy, self-explanatory, and you're just gonna watch me speed through this. Now that I've taken all of the flowers off of the stems, I'm cutting the extra stem part that's sticking out from the base of the flowers, so that way when I hot glue the flowers to the actual board, it'll remain flat and it'll be a lot easier to adhere to the board. So now for the affordable part of the video. Now, buying a lot of flowers from Dollar Tree, even though they're $1, it can add up. So instead of buying a whole bunch of flowers, here's a hack. Use coffee filters. So I'm taking 3 coffee filters at a time, and I'm just gonna fold them horizontally once, like so. And then I'm going to repeat and fold it again, like so. And then one last time, like so. And it's okay, guys, it doesn't have to be perfect. And that's how it should look. And now all I'm going to do is cut the top. And I'm using a up and down motion instead of cutting straight across, just to give a little more spice, a little more texture, a little flavor, so it can give more of a flower look. And now I'm just separating the coffee filters and layering it to how I want it. And I'm going to place my finger. I know I don't have a nail, mind your business unless you're going to pay for it, okay? And I'm just going to push up and form the flower. And that's really all there is to it. You can mess around with it, get it to how you want, fluff it out, and just get it to however you want it. And after that, that's how your flower should look. And there you have it, a whole affordable flower. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys again how I make the flower. You're just gonna fold it like so, boom, fold it again and again, and cut. Separate the coffee filters, place your finger in the middle, push up, fluff it out, make it how you want it, and there you have it. placing some hot glue on the board itself, and I'm going to just press the affordable flour onto the board. And guys, please don't be like me and use your finger. It's hot glue, so I did burn myself a couple of times doing this. You will see me switch from using my finger to using the scissors, so I recommend you using a pair of scissors or just something else other than your fingers, because you will burn yourself and it's not gonna feel good. So yeah, just be mindful, be careful, don't be like me. So I'm just going to place the hot glue on the base of the flower, and I definitely use a lot of glue. Do not be light-handed with the glue. Go ahead and OD as much as you would like, not too much, but you definitely want to use a good amount so that the flowers will stick to the board. That's what you want. You don't want them falling off or anything like that. So don't be light-handed with the glue. You know, use it, like use it, baby, use it. And yeah, I'm just gonna continue to hot glue the flowers all over the board until it is filled up. And this is how it turns out. I absolutely love it. This took me about 3 to 4 hours to do, but that's because I kept stopping and doing random things. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys.